Hello, good morning class. Today we are doing some more questions on pair of linear equations, right? Here is our question number 4. X plus y is equals to 5. We are taking 5 on the left hand side, which is equals to x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. Similarly, for equation 2x plus 2y is equals to 10, we are taking 10 on the left hand side is equals to 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. We are making ratio of the coefficients, right? It means a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. Here we can see that these three ratios are equal. That is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Means the lines are coincident and so consistent system, right? Coincident means the lines overlap each other, right? We are taking solutions of line x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. Here are three solutions we are taken and draw our line. By doing so, we see here only one line is formed because the other line overlaps it, right? Now, next question number 5. Let the length be x meter and the breadth be y meter of the rectangular area. Here parameter is given. P is equals to 2x plus y, which is equals to 36. Now according to question, half of the parameter is equals to 36. It means 1 by 2 into 2 x plus y is equals to 36. X plus y is equals to 36. Then x is equals to y plus 4, right? Now, because here the condition is given. Now, further putting the value of equation second in equation first, we have y plus 4 plus y is equals to 36, that is 2y plus 4 is equals to 36, 2y is equals to 36 minus 4, that is 32, 2y is equals to 32 and y is equals to 16. By putting the value of y in equation 1, we get the value of x, which is equals to 20. It means the length is 20 meter and the breadth is 16 meter. According to question, it is given that the length is 4 more than its breadth. Yes, it is true, right? Next, question number 7. In question number 7, it is given that x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and the next equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Right? It means x is equals to y minus 1 and 3x is equals to 12 minus 2y. By putting the value of y, we get different values of x, right? Here we can see that by putting the value of x equals to minus 1, 0 and 1, we get the value of y 0, 1 and 2. Similarly, in second equation, by putting the value of x 0, 2 and 4, we get the value of y as 6, 3 and 0. The two lines are formed and the triangular area covered, right? Here we can see ABC triangle is formed with having vertices 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 4, 0, right? This is the required triangular area. Now, further, we discuss method of substitution. What is method of substitution? In method of substitution, we express one of the variables in terms of other variables, right? Means x is shown in terms of y or y is shown in terms of x. What is the advantage of it? The advantage of it is that we can obtain the value of one variable and then obtain it in the form of other, right? And then substituting the value into other equation. Clear to all of you? It is very clear with one example, right? X plus y is equals to 14. X minus y is equals to 4, right? It means x is equals to 4 plus y. Clear to all of you? Now, from this value of second equation, we can put it into first equation, right? It means y plus 4 plus y is equals to 14. 2y plus 4 is equals to 14. 2y is equals to 10 because 14 minus 4 is 10 and y is equals to 5. Now, this value of 5 is put into our third equation, right? Now, putting the value of y is equals to 5 in equation 3, x is equals to 5 plus 4, that is 9. So the solution is x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 5. Clear to all of you? Now exercise 3.3. Question is here 0.2x plus 0.3y is equals to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equals to 2.3. By removing the decimals, we can get 2x plus 3y is equals to 13. 4x plus 5y is equals to 23. Now, 2x is equals to 13 minus 3y. This is the value of 2x which we get from equation first. This value is putting in equation number 2. Right? Now, put the value of x in equation number 2. What we get? 4. 13 minus 3y upon 2 plus 5y is equals to 23. 2 is cut with 4. That is 2. 13 minus 3y plus 5y is equals to 23. That is 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equals to 23. Minus 5y is equals to minus 3 and y is equals to 3. Put y is equals to 3 in equation third. We get the value of x which is equals to 2. So the solution is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Clear? The substitution method is clear to all of you or not? Please send your reviews, and if there is any doubt, ask me. Thank you, class.